I'm really sorry if I'm not completely in focus. I can't really see my camera lens right now. I'm trying to try out my old background that I used to have. Also, if my background looks wonky, it's not. It's just because it's at a diagonal. As you've seen by the title, I am doing a Halloween haul. I don't think I've ever done a Halloween haul on my channel. As you can see, I'm very in the spirit. I've got some little cat ears on. But today's video is actually in collaboration with prettylittlething to show you the Halloween costumes they've got this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 Halloween costumes. Some of them are sold as actual costumes, but some of them I've kind of made up myself, so you have it in your wardrobe already, or you can order it and reuse it for a different time. We're just gonna get straight into it and see if you get any Halloween inspo from me. Okay guys, this is my first outfit. Obviously not every outfit is gonna be to your taste, or it might be too revealing for you. You can of course alter it to whatever you're comfortable with. I personally don't mind, but I feel like I wouldn't actually go out like this. I probably would add some like bottoms. You could probably add some white cargos, or if you've got a metallic skirt, you can add that too. If you can tell already, I am a superhero. So the set does come with this metallic suit. You can zip it up to however much you want. You can wear some fishnet tights with these as well if you want. It does come with these sunglasses too that you wear with the outfit if you want to go full out. Again, you can reuse them if you really like them. I did grab this in the smallest size, by the way. I love the details like the cuffs and the cutouts and the contrast of pinks. You could do this as a group. Like imagine all of you in this outfit, or you could do Power Rangers. You could be the pink Power Ranger for jazzed up. This is the next one. I'm obviously a cheerleader if you couldn't tell. I was so shocked at the quality of this costume. I feel like there's such a stigma around Halloween costumes that they're so cheaply made, but honestly this is such good quality. Like the top is amazing, has the pink little stripes and it's long sleeves, so it's going to keep you a bit warmer, but this is so thick. I wish you could see how thick this material is. It's kind of like thick bandage material. It has a zip up the side, super easy to come on. It's just a tiny bit big for me, so it just sits a bit lower, but I don't mind that. It actually comes with these tiny socks, which I was surprised about. I didn't expect it to come with socks. I didn't really read the descriptions of the Halloween costumes, but it comes with some tiny socks, so I'm super happy about that. Of course, you can make everything a bit more gory, you know, put a bit of blood on, bruise your face up, put a scar on. Do what you want, make it scary, but I'm more of like a cutesy Halloween girl than, you know, all gory. I'm not walking around with fake blood stains all over my face. No thank you. The only thing I wish this costume come with was some pom-poms. I couldn't find any on PLT. I'm not sure if they used to do it, because I think this costume is from last year, but I feel like if you look in like any party shop or on eBay or something, I'm sure you'll find some pom-poms. So I feel like that would just add to the costume, because then it makes it a bit obvious. But if not, you could just be a little sports girl, you know. Yeah, I was super impressed with the quality of this. This is the one I was most excited about. It's giving very Aguilera vibes. It is actually labelled as like a boxing ring outfit, but it's just the pink version of the Aguilera outfit. This costume does come with the stripy bra with the adjustable straps, so you can tie them to however tight you want, help the girls out, you know. And then it comes with the pink like underwear for it. And then for the trousers, which I was so happy about, this is actually like an adjustable buckle, so you can do it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Little tip though, put your legs through this thing first, then strap it, because otherwise you're going to have a tough time. One thing, don't wear this out if you don't want people to stare, because I'm not going to fully show you, but bum is out. Bum is completely out. If you've seen the Aguilera outfit, you would know. It is quite long, but I'm going to wear platforms with it. Let me actually put them on quickly just to show you the height. So I also got these from PLT. They're like super big platform heels. I feel like platform heels like this just go with every Halloween outfit. I don't really know what other shoes to put other than clear heels, really. I've popped the heels on. Wow, that's made me so tall. There is still a little bit of bag at the bottom. You can't really see. So I feel like if you're short like me, even with platforms, they're still going to be a bit long. I'm obsessed with the black and pink combo. I feel like it's really, really nice. Right guys, so this is the base for the second outfit. Comes with a little triangle bikini bra again. Super nice metallic colour. I love this metallic pink. And then it actually comes with shorts. So of course, again, as I said, if you want to cover up more, you can just put like a bodysuit or a different top on, because you have got the coverage of the shorts, which I think is really nice. Still, it does come with these accessories. Comes with the gloves and the hat. I mean, the hat is too big for me because I have such a pea-sized head. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's given very Kylie. Can you see all these diamantes on it? And then the gloves, wow, metallic gloves. I might use these another time for like an outfit. I don't know. Oh my god, that's so creepy. That is the creepiest thing ever. If you haven't guessed already, I am in fact a space cowgirl. This is such a unique one because I don't think anyone would have thought of this, because I wouldn't have thought of this unless I got it from PLT. I would have never thought. I've done this backwards, haven't I? Yeah, I've got the gloves on the wrong hands, I think. I don't know, I can't tell. I don't know what way the diamante is meant to go. Probably on show. Look, the opposites. Oh my god, it would be me. My camera just died, so apologies if anything has changed, but it did give me an opportunity to put the gloves on correctly. I think I was saying, what a unique Halloween costume, because who else is going to have thought of this? I would have never thought of this. And it's so like extra, and it comes with so much. Like, you've got the base and the hat with the gloves, and there's such good quality as well. I just feel like it's really cute, and I'm obsessed. I love the pink metallic so much. The platforms, as I said, I'm going to pair with all of these Halloween costumes because they're super easy and they're clear. The belt is also adjustable, so that's really nice, and it's a zip up the side, so it's super easy to get on. Let's get on to the next one. Now for a more simple one, because I feel like the last few was very quite in your face. These might be items you already own if you own like a pair of little shorts or cycling shorts, black top, or even better, a black corset. You can do a few outfits with these. You can get some bunny accessories and be a bunny. You can get some cat ears. That's super easy. Literally just put some cat ears on, maybe put some whiskers on your face. Or you can be a black angel, which is what I'm going to be. I would wear like stockings again to make it a bit sexier. I can't be dealing with that ag of putting them on right now. But what I did get from PLT, oh my god, look at these. Some massive wings. These are huge. I'm just scared to touch them. How does one approach this? Do I widen them? I think that's what I do. I don't know if I'm wearing these right. They feel very like low. Are they meant to be the other way? I don't know how I tighten the straps. They are like elastic. So I don't know, maybe if I tied them in a knot they'd sit a bit higher. But how cute are they? Let me try doing this. Yes, okay, so just for like a quick fix, you can twist it around loads of times. All I need now is a halo. So if you bought this outfit for this costume, you can literally just rewear it, because you can wear the corset with cargo skirts. Ooh. I'm in love. I just feel like I'm gonna fly away. You might already own like a white dress or a white outfit in your wardrobe, which is great. If not, you can just grab a cheap dress. I think this was super cheap off prettylittlething. It's just a scuba material, super thick and nice quality, not see-through. And then I got the white wings. These are exact same as the black ones. I just need to find a way to get them to sit up. Am I being silly? Is there a way? I feel like you need to adjust the elastics. Like, just twist them around loads of times, tie a knot in there. That's what I'm going to do, because I also want to use these wings for another outfit. I'm just going to leave them to, like, swing about for the moment. The other outfit I had in mind that you can do with the wings is a Victoria's Secret angel. I think that is such a cool idea. I would have done that, but I couldn't find a diamante top on PLT. But I want to do like a fully embellished bra with some like white shorts. You can even do it with this dress. If I had in mind as well some like diamante tights to make this more Victoria's Secret angel. If you're just a simple girl like me and you just want to go as a boring angel, you do it. I now have 2 sets of wings, and if anyone goes in my wardrobe, they're going to think I'm very strange. Obviously, this is Clueless. Another outfit that you'll be getting 2 uses out of. You can of course use it as a Clueless outfit, or if this is your style, you're benefiting from both. I personally would wear this just as an outfit. I'd probably roll the skirt just a little bit. So the blazer and the bottoms are sold separately. It's a really nice scuba material, super thick. It's going to keep me warm. If you go to sixth form or anything, you can wear it for that as well. It's not just a Halloween costume. If you wanted to like cutesy it up, you know, and get a bit sexy, you can wear like a white lace bralette, or you can just wear this, some white fishnet tights or some stockings with the platforms. That could level it up a bit. But if not, you can just wear some cute trainers, some high knee sock. Honestly, Clueless is such a good Halloween outfit. I don't know how I forget about it every single time. And then I see someone do Clueless, I'm like, wow. So it's a very unique outfit, I think, because not everyone else is going to think of it. Right, nobody laugh at me that I've put the wig on. My dog's looking at me in the corner of the room thinking I've gone insane. But can we see what I am? Well, I could be two things actually. If we remove the hat and the cane, I could just be a little jester. But I put this on to kind of be a circus ringleader person. I don't know if the hat and this goes, but we're just going to act like I'm a ringleader, you know. Let's have a breakdown of the outfit. So the cane and the hat come together. You can adjust this to how tall you are. I had to take a pole out because it was like up here. The bra, the shorts, the wig and the neck piece was a set. I'm not vibing with the hair. I'm not, but I need to wear it because this hat is too big for me, so it just falls off my head, but the wig's keeping it there. Guys, can you take me serious? No, you can't. I mean, it's not a bad quality wig. I just got it a bit knotty trying to put it on. As far as wigs go, she's got the curl, you know, it's looking nice. I don't know, but I feel like it's a good quality wig, and it has little hooks to hook it on. The hat's good quality, the cane's cute, the outfit's cute. It's actually written down as the Harley Quinn outfit. I'm not getting Harley Quinn out of this, but I'm getting little I think we're gonna end the video there because I'm starting to go a bit, you know, Halloween crazy. I would show you the outfit without the wig actually, but you know, we're just gonna finish the video in the wig because it's a Halloween video. I hope you enjoyed this little Halloween costume idea video with PLT. Let me know if you want any more Halloween content. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe before I get you. Also, thank you so much for 25k. You are literally angels. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.